Welcome back to Secondhand Overland. I'm your host, Matt Kester. Today this is just going to be a quick video. I'm going to kind of bring you guys up to speed on, well, some new developments with the channel, and we've got some leaked photos of a new Wouxun dual band handheld that you just might be interested in. And also, if you stick around all the way to the end, we'll have a little bit of sample of this video I've been working on. We didn't release a video last week. Well, that's because we were in Baja, Mexico, having an amazing adventure and filming that content to release on this channel, which you'll see that coming out real soon. The reason I'm talking to you today is because, well, a wise man once said, if you're not first, you're last. And I literally just got an email tonight from a source. This source gave me some leaked photographs of the display on a new model of Wouxun KG-UV9PX radio. Excuse me, the AC just kicked on. I gotta go shut that off. The hot season is beginning here in Arizona. Now, you know the KG-UV9 series from Wouxun as a dual band radio that's also a super het, very feature rich. But one of the drawbacks that people have always had about that line of radio once the UV8H or the KG-935 came out was the display. It's just a very basic one color display, and the other newer lineups from Wouxun have that new beautiful full color LCD display. Well, according to these photos, would have you believe, the folks at Wouxun have gone ahead and put that LCD display that was in the UV8H and the KG-935G that everybody likes and raves so much about into that full super het radio of a UV9 series. And, well, let's take a look at it. I mean, here you go. Now, we've got 4 photos here. And the first one is what's called classic mode. And, well, as you can see, classic mode is classic mode. It's your typical UV9 display that every Wouxun UV9 since the beginning of time has had. But what caught my eye was there's another 3 more photos here. Let's go with day 1. As you can see, we've got a dark background with a light text reminiscent of the UV9 / KG-935 series from Wouxun. A radio that I love, and I love the features, and I love that display, but some say that because it's a system on a chip, it's not a real radio. Well, now we have a real radio with a really amazing display. Another color choice that we have here is called Day 2, and I think Day 2 is actually kind of my favorite. It's got a nice, medium blue aesthetic to it with a brighter white, makes for a nice contrast. I think if I was going to get one of these, that'd probably be the color that I'd have the display on all the time. And then, well, because this is a radio that's targeted to the dip and Velcro shit hits the fan crowd, we have Covert Mode, which I'm not all that certain is that much different from Day Mode. It just looks like the lettering is drabbed, and there's this gradient effect going on here. Day 2 gets my vote. Yeah, Day 2. That'll definitely be what's on mine if we ever end up with one. As far as details and features, I am told it's pretty much a lot the same that it is in the existing UV9 higher end of the lineup. All the features that you know and have come to expect from that particular line of radio is featured here. It's just, of course, got the new bright, beautiful screen. And, well, what about people in this world, the GMRS world? Because this is a dual band radio, and technically it shouldn't be used for transmission on GMRS frequencies. Well, I think it would be really nice if somebody maybe took that technology that was in like the KG-905 with the superhetrodyne design and threw this on here. I mean, you can see that it's done here. Why can't we have a GMRS model coming soon? That would be nice. Looks like this is going to be available from Better Safe Radio. That's at least the text that we see across the top, and I'll put a link in the description below to Better Safe Radio's website so you can keep your eyes peeled for it whenever it does become available, and when it does become available, we'll let you know. Moving on to the other news and the other reasons you're here, yes, we just got back from Baja, California, and you're gonna see a new series of videos start rolling out. The first one, if you're watching this at the time we release it, it's gonna be out within a few hours. Don't worry. We're gonna be releasing a new series of Baja adventure videos because you guys have talked about how you wanted to see more of the adventure videos, and we've gotten away from that, and I apologize for that. We just have been soaked with other time. But at the same time, the rest of this is coming out. We're also gonna have some more gear reviews. So not just radios, we're gonna also have a few more pieces of overland kit to review that have come up since then. So again, we'll be pushing those out kind of in the middle of the week as they go about. And then the other big thing that's around the corner is Overland Expo West. Now we are at this time planning on going. We still have not been confirmed back into the Overland Expo Ambassador program, but fingers crossed. I'm hoping that it happens, and we should know soon. But irregardless, we are planning on making some sort of an appearance there. You stuck around this long, I appreciate it. I'm not gonna take up any more of your time. Here's the sample of what we've got coming up with Baja, and well, enjoy. And there will be some more radio stuff coming out real soon too. It's fun, it's exciting time, and it's a good time to be making videos, and I'm happy to be doing it again with the passion that we had before, or the intensity that we had before. So stick around, more content's on its way. Thanks for showing up, and as always, I'm Matt Kester. Be good.